These are fire. You get some details.
All right, we're with Model Justice today. The first thing we got to do is build the look, and you can see I'm handing her a bracelet there. We're working on some necklaces, maybe even throw in a little belt to add to the outfit, just to give the outfit a little bit of interest. It always amazes me what the models choose from the rack, because I just let them go and pick the outfit out themselves, and I'll just make some suggestions as far as accessories. She loved the red coat, she loved the lacy bikini and the black skirt, so that's what we're going with today. For the backdrop, I opted for a neutral gray canvas backdrop, and for the lighting, I'm going to go with a Flashpoint Explorer 600 Pro with the Glow 34-inch beauty dish that is gridded to prevent spill of light onto the backdrop. I could just angle the softbox away from the backdrop as well if I wanted to. The second light over there is a strip box, and I usually have that for fill on that left side is what I'll be using that for. You can see the first shot really blown out. I think I was having a sync problem with the light. Within around 1 or 2 shots, I usually have it dialed in though. So the key light was around 1/8. That fill light over there, I think, was around 1/16. It's usually half stop or a stop lower than the key light. So ever since I was young, I've always been into fashion, and I've always been into photography, even though I didn't do it professionally until later in life. But just getting these details and getting close up with the camera onto these fabrics and these textures, so you can see that we've got the fur, we've got sort of the leather look, we've got the lace. It all ties together right in the look of the outfit along with the accessories. So I'd like to get those detail shots. So it's a lot to have to do to, set up the lighting, the set, pay attention to your camera settings, set up your computer over there, and then also pay attention to your model, right? Pay attention to what she's doing. Even though she's just adjusting here, I'm getting a candid shot, right, of her just tying the bikini or doing whatever she's doing, and I really like those kind of shots. So always be looking for those candid moments while you're nerding out with your lights and your gear and everything else. Pay attention to your model. Are they comfortable in the outfit? Are you shooting them from their most flattering angles, for example?
The lighting. Oh, I love it.
I might have to do, I really like the lighting just in the room like this. I might do some without the flash. Just turn off the flash for a sec. And it's kind of a side lighting. Okay, open up a little bit. You see because I get, with this lighting, we see the belly a little bit more. I can really see the abs and the cut. You know what, I may just use the modeling lamp just to fill you in right here. Yeah, there we go. So now I'm using the modeling lamp and just that room light with the magnum reflector. Yeah. Nice.